Al Hanisim b'Chanukah. Somebody forgot to say Al Hanisim. The Mishnah Berurah brings from Eliyahu Rabbo. If he forgot to say Al Hanisim by Shmone Esre, he should say Al Hanisim before Yiyul Ratzon, B'derech Ba'kosho, Yehi Ratzon, Sheyaseh Lonu Nisim, V'chule. Which Yehi Ratzon, the first one or the second one? Chaim Kanievsky says, before the first one. Rav Nosson Korel says, if he's going to say both Yiyul Ratzon, he should try to say before the first one. But he can say before the second Yiyul Ratzon, and is still considered the Toich Shmoneh Esre, because Yiyul Ratzon is the end of Shmoneh Esre. If the first day of Hanukkah falls on Shabbos, and he was madlik the Ner Hanukkah Erev Shabbos, but before Mincha, or by Plag Mincha, should he say Mincha after Hadlokos Ner Hanukkah Al Hanisim, or he shouldn't say Al Hanisim? It's not Hanukkah yet. Meidach Giso, he already was madlik the Ner Hanukkah. Tshuva Aleph, he should say Al Hanisim because he's already Hanukkah after he made the Birchas Hadlokos Neros. Rav Shlomo Zalman Auerbach. Tshuva Beis is Yitochen has Toiras Toisefes, even Mibeod Yoim. Ubefrat, according to those that say that you're allowed to eat Moror Erev Pesach Midin Toisefes Chag, who are Din Hochi. Rav Chaim Kanievsky. Tshuva Shlishis, there's a Prima Godim that says you're not allowed to daven Mincha Erev Chanukah after the Hadlokos Haneros, because it's a Tarte de Sasrei. You already memekabel the Yom Tov Chanukah. How can you daven Mincha shel Erev Chanukah? This Prima Godim is the Choiro Asfora of Lekatchilo. Lekatchilo should not daven Mincha after the Hadlokos Ner Chanukah. But b'di'evet, you are allowed to daven Mincha after the Hadlokah. Nevertheless, you cannot say Al Hanisim. Rab Nisim Korelitz. If somebody said the Taus, instead of Bimei Matisyo ben Yochanan Kohen Gadol, he said Bimei Mordechai ve'Esther. He was a little shiker. Is he yoytze that brocho after he finished the brocho, or he's not yoytze the brocho? Rab Chaim Kanievsky said, he's yoytze. Rab Wosner said, he's not yoytze. What is the machloikes? In Shulchan Aruch Simen Kuf Ches Yud Beis, hatoe umaskir me'ura shel sha'ar yomim shelo bizmano, lo have hefsek. If somebody says the wrong me'ura in Shmoneh Esrei, it's not a hefsek, and he is yotze, because the locho is soch be'emtza abrocho yotze. But the Mishnah Berurah brings down that this is not so simple, because this halacha from the Shulchan Aruch is not muskam to Rav Achronim. And the Mishnah Berurah is machriya. If he says ahoy sofo she'em bo sheker, lo have hefsek. But if it's mosif a me'ora sheyesh bo sheker, lo yotzo. For example, if he said atochon antonu and tfilo on birchas choinen adas, lo have hefsek. He didn't say anything wrong. But if he said ya'aleh v'yovo v'yom rosh hachodesh hazeh, and it's not Rosh Chodesh, that is considered a hefsek shel sheker. They have a hefsek, and he has to say over the brocho. And if he finished Shmoneh Esrei, he has to say over the whole Shmoneh Esrei. How about if he said Zochrenu lechaim melech chofetz b'chaim? That's no problem. But if he said Kosveinu b'sefer HaChaim, that is a problem, because there's no ksiva after Rosh Hashanah Yom Kippur. The problem is that the Zohar HaKodesh says that the Chasimah could be until Shmini Atzeres, Simchas Torah. So maybe according to the Zohar, if he says Chosmeinu lechaim, he is Yotze. So those people who believe in the Zohar HaKodesh, they would be Yotze Shmoneh Esrei. Those people who do not believe on the halachos from the Zohar HaKodesh, and they are called Dardaim, they are not Yotze Shmoneh Esrei. Somebody wanted to add, according to the Baal Shem Tov, the Sof Zman Chasima is Chanukah. Some say the first day Chanukah, some say the last day Chanukah. So it could be Yoytze. So the Maskonot Milso, Rav Boston wants to say, if you said the wrong thing, Kilu today is Purim, that brocha is not Yotze. You have to say over the brocha. If you finish the entire brocha, you start again from Modim. If you finish the entire Sim Sholom, you have to start from Retzei. If you finish the entire Shmoneh Esrei, you have to start from the beginning. Noshim on the mitzvahs Halel Chanukah. The she'ela is, are Noshim Chayovos in the mitzvah of Halel on Chanukah, because Av, Hen, Hoyu, Be'oso, Nes, like the Gemara says, Mesech Shabbos Daf Chof Gimel. Or we say that Halel in Chanukah is just like any Halel of any Yom Tov. Shvuos, Sukkos, Noshim are Pturos from Halel. The only time we find that Noshim are Chayovos on Halel is the night of Pesach. Because that's the takona of Dalet Koisos to say the Dalet Kosos al Halel and on the Hagodo shel Pesach. So we have a machlokes. Rab Chaim Kanievsky says that Noshim are Chayovos and Halel. And he says, Ayen Tosafos Sukkot Lamed Ches Med Aleph, Divrei Maschil Mi. Toisos Vede makes a chiluk between Pesach and Shavuos and Sukkot. So maybe Chanukah is like Pesach, Afin Hoy Boisanes. That's Rab Chaim Kanievsky's raya. But Rab Shlomo Zalman Auerbach and Rabbi Yoshiv both hold that there is no mitzvah say for Noshim to say Hallel on Chanukah, just like Shavuos and Sukkot. And he wants to say that the Takonos Hallel was done by the Anshe Knesset HaGedoylo al Kol Yom Tov. It's a mitzvah that says Shazman Gromo, Noshim Peturos. Masha'enken that Loko, Noshim are Chayovos, because that's a different Takono from the times of the Hashmonoim. Hallel is one Takono, Anshe Knesset HaGedoylo. And at Lokos HaNeros is a different Takono. And Rav Elyoshi brings a raya from the Rambam. If a Isha says Hallel, she's not Moitzi, just like a cotton and a Evet is not Moitzi. It's much from the Rambam that we don't say the Klal Av, Hen, Hoyu, Be'oiso, Anes, Legabi Hallel. And the Rambam is in Hilchos Chanukah. Because in Chanukah, the Rambam brings all the halachos from Hallel.